Hey everybody, my name is Josh. I'm a registered nurse and chief health officer here at Nuri Clinic. And today we are going to unbox our Body Recomposition Program with the peptide Retatrutide. Let's get into it. So the first thing is we have our peptide supply kit. Let's open this up. As always, you're gonna find your Nuri dosing guide for the program inside the box. This will have written instructions on how to reconstitute and how to take your daily dose if you prefer those written instructions, but we've also got the videos here. All right, so in total, there are 5 10 milligram Retatrutide vials in your package. They're shipped overnight with the whole program, kept cold the entire way, and these are going to last throughout the entire duration of your program. Next up, you will have 2 vials of bacteriostatic water. This is what we use in the reconstitution process. Adding the bacteriostatic water to the powdered peptide vials is reconstitution. So you'll have 2 of these in your package, and when you get ready, you're gonna wanna reconstitute 1 vial at a time and then take all of your doses out of that vial before reconstituting the next one. On the topic of reconstitution, you will have a pack of 10 100 unit reconstitution syringes. This pack of 10 is only for adding the bacteriostatic water into the powdered peptide vial. Next up, you will have your individually wrapped injection syringes. These injection syringes are 30 units in volume, and these are only to do the peptide injection itself for each weekly dose. Next up, you will have all of the alcohol swabs that are needed for both the reconstitution and the weekly injection. So keep a hold of these throughout the duration of your program. And last but not least, these nutrient booster packs. These supplement packs are included with the program. You take 1 in the morning and 1 at night, and it helps your body absorb all the vital nutrients that you will need so that we can lose weight in a healthy manner without losing any lean muscle mass. All right, so that covers all of the different pieces of your peptide program. Now we are going to move into what we call the reconstitution process. This is what you will want to do when you are ready to take your first dose of Retatrutide.